Hello there. Today I'll be guiding you through a preset titled Mediterranean Sand. Let's get started. Here are some before and after example photos. Awesome? Now, let's select a photo. This pineapple should do the trick. Exposure at +15. Contrast at +25. Highlights at -72. Shadows to +62. Whites down to -15. Blacks drop to -10. Tone curves as follows. That about does it. Now for the color. Temp up to +19. Tint up +2. Vibrance at +17. Now for the color mix. Red hue at +30. Saturation +5. Luminance -19. Orange hue to -12. Saturation -45. Luminance -17. Yellow hue down to -41. Saturation -68. Luminance -9. Green hue -53. Saturation -65. Luminance -6. Aqua hue bumped up to +55. Saturation -55. Luminance -2. Blue hue at -33. Saturation -39. Luminance -4. Violet hue to +29. Saturation -49. Luminance +16. Magenta hue all the way up to +100. Saturation -51. Luminance +3. That's a wrap for color. Let's head over to effects. We'll bump the clarity up +12. Dehaze to +19. Next, split tones. Set the highlights to hue at 171 and saturation at 6. For shadows, hue at 34 and saturation to 6. Now, on to detail. Sharpening to 13. Noise reduction at 29. Detail up to 62. We'll adjust color noise reduction to 35. Set the smoothness to 65. And that's it, we're done. Now, let's copy the settings and apply them to some other photos. Hello again, Pineapple.